Hello, welcome to our lesson now on how to round numbers. First, to round numbers, let me show you guys how to round numbers the easy way, or what I call the Ruben's way. For example, let's take a number. The number is 78. So what we're going to do, my friends, to round a number, this is the easiest way to round a number. We take this number, 78. What we're going to do, we're going to look at the last number right here, the 8. Okay? Right here. Now, if this last number right here, if this last number is equals or greater than 5, we're going to round up. If the number is equals or lower than 4, we're going to round this number down. So in this case, the 8 obviously is equal or greater than 5. So therefore, we're going to round this number up. This number 78 is actually going to be round to 80. Okay? And for those of you who are visual, this actually makes sense because if you think about it, those of you who are visual, I'm going to put the 70 here. Notice that the 78 is closer to the 80 than it is to the 70. Okay? Very nice. Let us take another number right here. Let's take now the number 6, for example. The number 6, the last number is a 6. The 6 is equal or is also greater. It's not equal, but it's greater than 5. So therefore, we're going to round up. So this 76, we will also round it to 80. Okay? Not to 70. Let's take another number now. Let's take the number 72. Very nice. We're going to look always at the last number, my friends. Remember. Now, that 2 obviously is lower than 4. So therefore, this number, the 72, we're going to round it down. So instead of rounding this to 80, we're going to round it down to 70. Now, for those of you who are visual, this also makes sense because the 72 is closer to the 70 than it is to the 80. Okay? So remember, my friends, by following this rule, we are going to learn how to round numbers. Okay? Next, we are going to learn how to round numbers the way your GED exam wants you to round numbers. And that is by using the place values. Okay? So, let us learn that right now.